Umlo. Gana mara. So gusam. Matono. Guteka mwago genyini goli mukoza mukasa just mulawo. What is it? Haven't you done enough? What is it? Haven't you done enough? Hey. Hello, who is here? I'm back. I was trying to organize the place that I literally work from. I don't want to leave it tidy. Yeah. So, as we are eating, fish with cassava, posho that is mingled from cassava flour. You will literally eat from morning to evening. So maybe we go outside. Maybe. Okay, let me first put some water in this saucepan so it becomes easier for the person who's going to do what. Hello guys, hi. We're going to go outside. I don't know if Sadas here, World is still here. Melissa, nyamba ho gene kan. Nyamba ho kan tali de pokko bana. Badeta dem pokko tuzi. Thank you. Bane ono mwogo wani? Suta. Suta. Ono gundi si wo. Soko jola be. Oh, you see wo. Mujjo man. Dabali. Nyasoko mukebere mula moyo. Soko kebere byosa mugundi nawo. Okay, let's go outside. Tola koko mutono. Sagala okisusse. Naye obutiti. Let's go outside so we just from outside here. Actually barefooted. Let us sit here. Let me first reduce on my stand. Maybe here. Should I leave or should I go? And this is going to be so short. Let me just leave it like that. I'm still here, guys, trying to get where to sit. Okay, can you see me? Now we're outside and I'm eating. This is cassava flour posho with cassava flour posho with Hiya, lovelies. It's like I'm not seeing my comments. Can someone